Hello, my name is Patricio Hidrobo. I have 19 years old. I am from Quito, Ecuador, and I study mechanics in an international university. I like learning new things, for example, new technologies, other cultures, other language, and other sports. My principal interest in this program is learn more about English for improve my level English. And I would like learn more about the American culture. For me, is the one most important cultures in the world. This opportunity is important for me because I get experience in English. Because in my career is very important learn this language, and I would like meet the other people from different cultures. For this reason, this program helped me. About my qualities, I am very friendly, very responsible, and I like work very hard. I thank you for your attention. Bye.